Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe video for you. So today we're talking about beef, and this is going to be a roast beef recipe. It's going to be a spicy recipe I'm going to toss together, but I wanted to give you a couple of tips and as well as butcher tricks and things that are going on here. So first of all, this is a beautiful piece of beef chuck roast. So this is a boneless beef chuck roast. I picked this piece because of the marbling right in here. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. I love it. Not too much fat. There's a little bit on here. I'm going to leave all the fat intact. This one was a killer deal, and that's why I grabbed it. What was that, like $7.49 a pound or something like that? I don't know. On sale, $2.99 a pound. Wow. USDA choice beef chuck roast. This is going to be good. So I want to show you a couple things. First of all, let's take a look and see if there's any hidden things under here, butcher tricks. By the way, $2.99's a killer deal. I love it. This is a great price. It says 2.99 pounds, so it's 3 pounds. The question is, what else is in this package? I'm curious to know what else we got going on here. Alright, so here's the piece of beef. Let's check the top, check the bottom. Ah, yep. See that little diaper in there? You can't eat this, can you? No, they put it in there to absorb liquid, but this weighs at least 2 ounces. So that changes the cost right there. It's good to be frugal. So let your butcher know next time you go back to the store, hey, I don't want any extra stuff in there. Just the beef, please. There we go. Top, the bottom, it's looking good. It's a pretty big chunk of fat there, but that's it's gonna melt down while it's braising and roasting. I like it. Now there's only a couple things I'm gonna do to this. The first thing I'm gonna do is add these 3 giant pieces of garlic. We're gonna get them right inside the beef. And to do that, we want to cut them down so they're more like sliver sized pieces. And they're going to penetrate the meat a little bit easier like that. Plus we want the flavor to go all around and not just be in one spot. So all you need to do is holes right where you want that garlic to go. And then you use your knife and you wedge it right in like that. Okay? I'm just going to go around like this with a couple of these pieces. Okay, just like that. Anytime I work with beef, especially a roast beef, pepper, fresh ground black pepper, we're going to do both sides, as well as fresh sea salt. This, of course, is the Hawaiian pink. I really like that. Himalayan is good as well. Some say there's more nutrients in these pink salts. I don't know. Alright, so we're going to do both sides like that. Now, every piece of beef that you roast or braise, just like this, there's a few things. I like garlic, but besides the salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil. We put a nice fair portion of this on the top and the bottom, and I'll be back. The Dutch oven. Okay, I've been preheating this Dutch oven. Ooh, it's getting hot. It's good to go. Now, there's a few things you got to do. Step 1, the Dutch oven's nice and clean. It's hot. Extra virgin olive oil, you got to have it. I want that oil to be really hot when my beef goes in there. I want to hear a sizzle. It's important that you get the sizzle. You can always test it too. I can test it with even a little piece of this garlic. It's all going in the pot anyway. Just like this. Okay, we're ready. The beef goes in. and you let it cook. I want to brown both sides. I'll be back. Okay, this is called a pot fork. The reason is you use it with a pot. It's an easy tool, or like a third arm, for you to lift and rotate and carve. Lots of different things. Pot fork is essential if you're serious about cooking. That's the color I'm looking for right there. Okay, it's now brown on both sides. It's looking really good. And for my Italian style garlic beef here, oh, you know, I should probably turn it over. Yeah. Want you to see how nice that garlic browned up. Looking really good. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding just a few more things. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades, all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. So here blueberry jam, blueberries, Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan, and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Buy the best the first time. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Wow. Get the best the first time. It's gonna be good. My spatula. Well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.